the left side. Jesus. No, I'm a little dyslexic when it comes to my right and left. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Hey everyone, I'm Nashae and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I curl and style my mini Cuban twists. If you'd like to see how I install these twists in detail, part 1 will be linked up above and down below in the description box. To curl, I will be using the yellow long 3x16 Perm Rods, which I purchased from my local beauty supply store for about $4 a pack, and I think I purchased like 4 packs. Check the description box below for more information regarding all of the products I use in this video. Next, I'll take 3 twists at a time, and then I'll figure out how far up on the twist I'd like the curl to start. I decided to go up about 4 inches, so when I find that spot, I'll start wrapping the twist around the rod from that point. So I just want to show you real quick how to secure your hair in the rods to prevent it from loosening. Once you wrap your hair around the rods, you will also wrap the rubber band around the rod to secure the ends of your hair. Like so. This trick will keep your hair wrapped tightly around the rod and prevent it from slipping or unraveling. And this is what the back half looks like. Catch those layers, honey. And now I am done installing the rods, but as you can see, some of them started to unravel, so I ended up going back in and I recurled them using the method I showed you earlier. Next, I'll take a cup of boiled hot water and I'll add a few drops of hair oil and a few drops of lavender essential oil. This gives the hair a nice scent and adds an extra layer of moisture and sheen. This step is also optional. Next, I take a small handful of twists and dip the rods into the cup of water and hold it there for 10 seconds. Then I remove the twists using a towel. Please be very careful when removing the twists. Place a towel in between your skin and your hair as you remove them from the cup to avoid burning yourself. Then squeeze the excess water out of the twists with the towel and repeat those steps as you continue to dip the rest of the rods. I go in with my mousse. I am using the Vigorol Curls Mousse, which was $5 from my local beauty supply store. And I apply a generous amount all over the twists. Then I pull the hair back with a large hair tie and tie it down so it can dry and set overnight. Now for the good part. Let's get into it. Now when we are taking down our hair, we do not want frizziness. It ain't cute, okay? So I'm going to apply a little bit of oil to my hands to minimize friction, as friction can cause frizziness. Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? When removing the rods, don't just pull them out, because first of all, ouch. Second of all, you want to preserve the curl, and yanking the rod out may mess up the curl and of course, cause more frizz. Here's a close-up of how to take the rod out. Don't pull your hair. Just unwind the rod from your hair until it's out, then carefully separate the ends. Okay, one side is done. Ooh, let's get into the sheen though. Yes. Excuse my ratchetness, y'all. God is still working on me, okay? Sis, if you made it this far in the video, you might as well go ahead and like it, and then graciously make your way over to the subscribe button and click that too. I'd appreciate it. And voila! Okay, so this is the final look. So I'm going to give you a 360. And I'm gonna go to the right side. These are my mini Cuban twists. It's a really good summer style. It's light, it can last. The only thing that I would probably do different would be the moussing. I wouldn't have done it first. I'm probably gonna do it again, but I suggest that you mousse after you fix your hair the way you want it to go. So like now that I know I want to do a side part, I'm gonna mousse it again probably. Moussing it also helps it lay flat, like be flat. So if you want a little bit more volume, more fluffiness, probably don't mousse it. I did this style before, like before this. I had this style in, but it was a little different. The twists were a little bigger, and I'll probably insert a picture over here. And I liked it. It was really natural. The only difference between these two styles is that with that, I separated the hair into 3 pieces instead of 4. So especially like in the back. Though the only con about that style was, I wasn't really confident in my parting. So
my parting was all over the place. So I ended up having like the really small twists in the front and then the slightly larger ones in the back. And as I got closer up here, they got smaller and smaller, and that's when I started separating them into 4. I completely forgot that with this, and I just started off separating all the hair into 4. I hope the tutorial was, you know, easy enough to for you to follow if you want to try this style. Please like the video if you like the style, or if you want to try it out. And do not forget to subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video.